Yo, what's up, everyone? So, starting today, I'm a little late. Um, back's hurting. Back is hurting, man. So what can I really do? Well, so let's break it on down. This is something I was looking at from yesterday. I'm on the hour chart, hour FEG. Um, this was London high. That's now getting tapped into. Alright. I don't know if we keep going higher. I have no idea. Kind of looking at it, this is our range low, high, low, high. Came into this, and then we're going higher. But I see a lot of liquidity here that I think can be taken out. And this is really and truly the daily range is this low to this high, right? So I do think we can come a little bit lower today. But here, it's not really telling me anything. Let's go until 15-minute. Again, this is London high. This is 4 a.m. 4:45 a.m. I should say. Put in the London high. So that's where we're at. Something else that I kind of like is this FEG here. Looks as though we just tapped into it. This is the 15-minute FEG. 15-minute. Oh, come on. 15-minute FEG. That looks like we're respecting that very nicely. Alright, this is obviously the only FEG available. If it is, we want to roll over from here. 5-minute. Clearly sweep of all this internal liquidity. 1 minute. Same kind of deal, really. All this liquidity is gone. You can see here we have 3 areas of FEGs. So not something I'm taking. I'm not taking this first one, absolutely not. Wouldn't take the second one either, absolutely not. And probably wouldn't take the third. So kind of need a little bit more to go off of, right? Let's go back to the 5-minute real quick. Once this closes, it'll give me a 5-minute inverse, 5-minute FEG essentially. So we'll be able to see what happens there. So yeah, this is London high that we just took out. And if it is, we do go lower from here. Where are we going lower to? Man, we have a plethora of places. Obviously, this is number 1, number 2, but all the way down here, really and truly, is where I'm looking. And ultimately, it may not be today, all the way down to this H1. That's where I would like price to go, and then we can go on from there. But for right now, just watching this, gonna see what happens. Yeah, we do know this is the 15-minute FEG. Let's real quick pull up side by side. So yeah, H1. This is the 15-minute. Keep a watch on that. And keep a watch on this. See what happens where price goes home. Let's kind of just wait it out. See how we go. So yeah, I am bearish leaning. Today for sure. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. So this looks pretty. I mean, if we were to close something like that, that would look pretty decent. Hell, even something like this would look pretty decent. Alright. This is also looking, well, not is looking, but this would constitute as a Judas swing. So okay, cool. So if this one closes below, I feel pretty good about that, actually. And I would more than likely take that trade. But again, close below is very important here. Close below is very important here. Let's make sure this is correctly. Okay. Let's wait for the close. Which looks good. Let's wait for the close. Close below. Accept. What? Order rejected? What the hell? Damn it. Alright, still valid. Not the best entry. Buy stop is here. Break even point here. Damn, bad, what do you call that? Bad, entry. What the hell is denied? It's weird. So yeah, there's break even. And, first target's gonna be here. It's very weird. And, the overall target that I'm going to be looking at is this one. These lows here. So this is first target. Alright, so this is going to be this is going to be a 3. This is going to be a buy limit. Buy limit. Yeah, 3 buy limit here. And this is going to be a 2 buy limit here. Let's do this here. Buy limit. 2 buy limit at these lows. I equal lows, so yeah. That's how we're looking. Almost at that break even point. Ooh, that ain't looking too hot. So this here is a break-even point. So B, where's B? Break-even. Yeah. Oh, it's a new candle. That's why. 9:45. It might get stopped out here. Might get stopped out here. Yep. All right. Cool. Loss. That's fine. First loss. I think it made sense what I was looking to do. So yeah, got hit with the loss, which is fine. Sorry, it might have been a little early on this particular trade. I think that's a valid loss. We swapped liquidity. We came in to a 15-minute FEG. We react to the 15-minute FEG. We get a very clear inverse in that 15-minute FEG. And we take the trade. why do you want something very fucking minute? Get to the fucking point. This is a valid loss, though. Not the best entry, but valid loss nonetheless. Oh, so that means send this out. Cool. So we'll get into that later, but it looks as though we're gonna break through this 15-minute. So I'm watching this again now. It's a better time in terms of the correlation of a candle. See where this one closes. If it closes below. Now we have equal lows here, and then we got this bad boy at 9:30. You're doing too much now. Looking at how this 15 minutes looking, looks like we're stalling out a little bit here. Alright, well, looks as though I need to get back on track, kind of figure out where I just went wrong. Alright, so let's look back here on the hour. Whoops, the hour, geez, like, wow. Okay, kind of wasn't expecting that, I won't lie. Oh my god, the phone's going crazy. Work. So, yeah, looks as though we're going to be bullish. Alright. Looks as though we're going to be bullish. Very much so. No issues with that. And if we're going to be bullish from here, there's only one place to target: all-time highs. Alright. Cool. This doesn't really give me anything, to be honest with you. But I'm just going to leave this 15-minute... I'm going to leave this on, actually. Whoops. This 15-minute... this. I'm going to leave this on. Just going to leave that on. Yeah, so I'm waiting for this to close, figure that out. clearly bullish. Alright, clearly very bullish. Thought we would be bearish coming into the day, take more liquidity before ultimately going higher, but that doesn't seem to be it. So, what does that mean for me? What does that mean for the trade? This would have been, you know, I talk about flip-flopping. I'm not able to flip-flop fast enough. That's the entry there to go long. Yeah, I'm just not able to flip-flop fast enough. Unfortunately. So it would have been something like this. Stop the low. Something like that, you go higher. Crazy looking 10 o'clock candle. I haven't done anything. Kind of tapped into this top one. That's about it. I still want to see a bottom wick get put in here before I try any type of longs. And we get a bottom wick, then I can start looking for longs, but until then, well, I guess I kind of did miss this a little bit. This one. Oh well, whatever. So I want a bottom wick to get put in. So I'm gonna want this at a minimum to get tapped before anything else. It's telling me absolutely nothing, just moving extremely slowly. It's going parabolic to the all-time highs, man. Wow. Well, looking at it again, this is probably what I should have been looking at. These equal lows. Equal lows get swept. Price then pushes all the way up. And I didn't really look at that, if I'm being honest. Did not really look at that. It's what you didn't look at these equal lows, yeah. So, you know, it did what it did. It's fine. Thought I hopped in at a good spot, though, and the reasoning behind why I hopped in was the reason. I think there was anything wrong with it. Came into a 15-minute FEG. You're getting a reaction from the 15-minute FEG. We had a, what do you call this? An inverse. Push down, break even was here. I see no issues with it. Everything made sense. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I will say it doesn't make any sense to short here, even if we were to inverse this. Man, we are going parabolic to the moon. Parabolic. I will say I was not expecting this. I was not expecting it. I mean, wow. No, I'm not taking the short, even if it does short. Even if the entry criteria is there, I'm not shorting because it doesn't make sense. Pretty much only looking long and only to the all-time highs. What time is it? 9:13. There we go. Still not looking too short. Yeah, I know it did what it's doing, but not looking short at all. Let me look at this on the 15-minute real quick. It's a normal size wick. Alright, so on the 5, I may just want to come back into this area and then go long from there. We'll see, but that's not what you want, because you wanted an inverse to be left, but there's none. We'll see. I might be able to get another one. Now I'm looking for longs to all-time highs. We'll see if we get it. But up here is where I'm looking for price to go to. But we'll see. I don't think there's anything stopping it. There's absolutely nothing stopping this from going to all-time highs at all. So it's just a matter of, can I get in something? That's all it is. Can I get in something? And as of right now, the answer to that question is no, I can't. Loss today wasn't a bad loss. It was a good loss. I followed the rules where I thought price was going. I came into the day with more of a bearish bias, looking for us to sweep in this buy side liquidity. All right, which is what we did. So I was looking for us to sweep this buy side liquidity. Which is what we did. All right, which is also London high. Came into a 15-minute FEG. Just mark that out. Came into the only 15-minute FEG, I might add. Alright, came to the only 15-minute FEG. We got this, pushed lower, reacted to the first FEG, pushed higher, great, love it. Then we came up, had this second internal FEG. We broke through, I got my entry, break even here, first target, second target was down here. And that's what I was looking for. And unfortunately, price just turned around and I basically got in short at the bottom of this next bullish move. But guess what? It happens, it's fine, it is what it is. But that was the trade idea for this morning. Now, since we're so bullish, there's nothing stopping us from going to all-time highs. So it's just a matter of being able to get an entry for all-time highs. And that's what I'm waiting for right now. Okay. Now what are you doing? It's our candle. It's looking quite precarious. Wouldn't be half bad as if we actually came into this FVG. Smart, this is H1. Came into that wouldn't be bad. Well, maybe not. Just kind of trying to figure out where we're at, what price wants to do, where price wants to go. Getting into that H1 would be better, though, in my opinion. But hey. Okay. If I'm doing this, I kind of got to do both of them together, to be honest. Both of these have to be done together. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Close above here. I'd enter long. Jesus. Two, one. Alright. Let's do it. Stop loss down here. So this will be the sell. Stop. It'll be below this candle. Break even is going to be this high. First take profit is going to be here. and second take profit I get all the way up there. We'll see. It's gonna be a buy stop on 3. It's gonna be a 3 buy stop. Oh, sell limit. Whoops. 3 sell limit. There we go. Up there like so. And then ATH will be a 2. Sell limit. Yeah, like that. And this is a break even. Point right there. Kind of a big stop, if I'm being honest. Not really. Not really. $3.8. We'll see. Okay, break even. Oh, come on. Here we go. Alright, cool. So we're break even. Looks like we're going to be out break even as well, because this candle does not look very good. But we shall see. But that'll be it for me. That's my 2 trades for the session. Yeah, out break even. That's my 2 trades for the session. I'm done. And I'm out of here. Alright. Gotta do what I gotta do. Take the trades that I know how to take. And keep it pushing. So that's out and that's out. That's funny. I come back to my break even point and then take off. But guess what? If we didn't do that, you know, and we did go all the way to my stop loss, I'd be pissed. And yeah, not the best entry either, to be quite honest with you. Alright, kind of just got in on the open, which is how I normally do it, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the day. This one isn't a bad trade, probably a B setup. And I went through this one already. So I'll do a trade breakdown on the loss and the break even a little bit later today. And we'll see where price goes. So yeah, have a good day, everybody. Oops, wrong one. This one.